Hi guys, it's Lorraine here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which you can find below in the description box, is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I am going to review a product which is a traffic software and a training, and it's called Echo. And Echo is brought to you by Shawn Josiah. Now this product launched yesterday, Friday the 17th of September, and it's available through the launch period until the 23rd of September at 11:59 p.m. So this product is basically something that you can hook into popular YouTube videos in order that you can then use that in your own landing page and then link to 2 or 3 different affiliate programs that you can find on the ClickBank market, and then that will pull in some of the viral traffic from that YouTube video. When people land on that, then you are going to be able to make sales from the affiliate links that you have that will be overlaid on top of this video. So what I want to do is I'll go over. We'll have a look at the sales page for Echo, and then have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses that I have available. If you decide to purchase Echo through my link, which will be in the description box, the first link in the description box below the video. Now, I don't have access to the members area or the dashboard, but I do have a demonstration video that walks you through step-by-step process on how you set up from campaign, selecting your niche, find the YouTube video, how you search for the popular video, then you can select pre-loaded ClickBank offers, and then you can go and edit the overlay bar. And then the last thing is you can actually use the software to share that page or that video that you've just created and share it to lots of social platforms. I think they've got like 50 different preloaded social platforms that you can go and share this link with. So let's go over now and have a look at the sales page. Okay, so here we are on the sales page of Echo, and it's a training software which is telling you can get a tsunami of free buyer traffic that can make you anything up to $1,200 a day. There has been a lot of beta testing on this product, and that is shown later on this sales page. When we scroll down, we can have a look at that. But this is a brand new cloud-based traffic software. It can drive unlimited free viral traffic to your offers, and obviously ClickBank offers, affiliate offers, and it includes about 5 different niches. The most popular marketing niches are already included in the software. So you've got, this is solving the problem of the making money online not being able to generate the traffic. So it's 100% legal, ethical, 100% beginner friendly, and it's got no additional costs involved in it. And there's free gift for the first 100 buyers, and there's obviously offering this system. Let's see, this is the first time someone tested Echo, and this is the results that they got: $11,731 in sales from various sales coming into one platform. Then they decided that they would check on 32 complete newbies to test drive this software. So these are the results. As you can see, people have been making anything from $376 to $794 here, $95, $190, and these are the results that people have had from using this software. Basically, it's telling you can do this in 3 steps by driving unlimited traffic and sales. So you're setting up your profile within this members area, and then you're selecting the niche that you want to work in, which is like health and wellness, make money online, relationships, dating. Those are the type of niche areas, and all available. within the software. And step 3, click for traffic. Now, I don't think it is 3 steps, to be quite honest, and there's a few more steps in between, because it's not just 1, 2 and 3. You do really need to follow the video in order to make sure that you do all the steps correctly. And I think there's more like 5 or 6 different steps that you will be taking inside of this software. So that's my honest opinion. So it's telling you can have a great lifestyle by using this software, which obviously when you do make money online, it does change your lifestyle, especially if you're doing it the right way. Now, this is from the desk of Shawn Josiah, like I say, an affiliate marketer. And I think the rest of this sales page just goes over some of the problems that people find, how you fail to drive traffic to your offers, and then this, it's obviously telling you Echo is the solution. So I do have the demonstration video, which is on my bonus page, so that if you want to have a more in-depth look at how Echo works, I suggest what you do is go to the description box, click on the first link in the description box and go over to my bonus page, where you can go and check out the campaign demo video, which will walk you through, like I say, 6 steps of setting up, selecting your niche, using the popular YouTube video, edit the play bar. After you're selecting your offers from ClickBank, you edit the play bar, and then you can actually share the link out to different social sharing platforms. So it's not a 3-step process, guys. But anyway, let's go and look at my bonus page now and see the bonuses I have on offer if you decide to pick up Echo through my link. Okay, so here we go. It's automated, and it's, like I say, it's using YouTube videos that have gone sort of viral. You could pick a video that's got about 9 million views and use that as a way to set up your campaign within the software. It's legally siphoning off the viral YouTube videos, like I just said. You can imagine gathering top converting videos, putting them in a place that you, and basically attracting the traffic from that viral video. This product is selling on the front end at $17, and there is a coupon off, which then it would fall down to $13. Now the upsell on this one is for unlimited campaigns is $97 to $147. Upsell 2 is $97 to $197. Upsell 3 is $47, $147. Upsell 4, $47 to $147. Upsell 5, $297. And I think in brackets you've got 97 there, so there must be a downsell. And then you've got upsell 6, which is a masterclass at $47, and upsell 7, which is the multiple streams of income masterclass. And obviously in the make money online niche, people usually have multiple streams of income. It's not just from one product and one affiliate stream. There's many forms of income in affiliate marketing. So let's have a look at, you can go through this at your leisure. Just click on the first link in the description box and let's have a look. This is where the video is, so you can go and take a look at the campaign demo on my page. Now the first bonus I have is the license rights to Aura. And now this product is another traffic product, and it's a software as well. So it's a training in a software product using Instagram. Now this one here is behind the scenes of a 5-figure affiliate marketer. So if you want to find out a little bit more about what happens behind the scenes in affiliate marketing, check out this bonus. Now, bonus number 3 is how to use Instagram influencers. Now, I've learned about this back in 2017 when I was with another affiliate program back then. and it's basically looking for Instagram influencers who have a massive following on Instagram. And what you could do, there's a website that you can go to and reach out to these people, and you have to pay this small fees to large fees depending on the, how you want them to promote your account or your ad. Yeah, so that's how to use Instagram influencers. And bonus number 4 is access to insurgency. Now again, this is another program product by John Armstrong, and this will be another traffic learning, traffic training that you can access. You will still get access to all the vendor bonuses, even if you decide to click through my link and grab yourself this product to increase traffic and start making affiliate sales. This is the Warrior Plus receipt that you would receive, and here is the blue button that you would basically be able to pick up all these bonuses. So that is basically Echo, and I hope you like this video. If you would like to see more of these reviews, then I suggest you click on the subscribe and hit the bell notification, and then you'll be notified anytime that I upload any new videos to YouTube, so that you can have a look at what is new in the digital marketing, affiliate marketing space, and get in on the act while the product is at its cheapest. Because after the launch period, these creators obviously go to the upgrade and upgrade the prices, and then you never see it at this price again. So this is the end of this review video for Echo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.